Hello snakes, my name is Dante and today I'm going to be opening pre-release number 2 of M20 core set or Magic 2020. Yeah, which is very cool. It's a very good set with the new ley lines and reprinted ley lines. Let's see what can we get now. We get a planeswalker, mythic planeswalker I want. Yeah, okay, let's see. Whoa, it's a repeated reverberation. Yeah. And now let's start with the packs. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, 6 packs. So let's start opening. A zombie token. Yeah. Oh wow, there's a bundle, yeah. Octoprophet, Disenchant, Befuddle, Heartpiercer Bow, Famine Freak, Cutthroat, Infuriate, Chandra's Embercat, Rabbit Bite, Duress, oh great, Goblin Smuggler, Uncommons, Ancestral Blade, Manifold Key, Rapacious Dragon, and the rare mythic is Temple of Silence. Yep, that is a white-black Scryland and Rugged Highlands, which is the red-green tap land. Yeah, they are ally colors. Okay, the token is a soldier. Okay, Angelic Gift, Fortress Crab, Vow of Dragonfire, Griffin Sentinel, Blood Burglar, Netcaster Spider, Winged Words, Reckless Airstrike, Blade Brand, Uncommons, Yarok's Fenlurker, Rule of Law, finally got it. Disfigure and the rare mythic is Bishop of Wings, Bloodfell Cave, a tap land, and oh, there's a foil, and it is Fortress Crab. Really? Okay, and it's a foil at least. It's cool. Foils are cool. Just maybe not the Fortress Crab, but still. A demon. Moment of Heroism. Frostlints. Unholy Indenture. Raise the Alarm. Shock. Leafkin Druid. Plummet. Soul Salvage. Reduced to Ashes. Unsummon. Uncommons, Might of the Masses, Salvager of Ruin, Iron Root Warlord, and a rare mythic is Leyline of Anticipation. Yep, there we go, and an island. That's one. Anyway, can we get something good? I could consider Leyline of Anticipation something good, but not really for sealed. Okay, Ajani's Pridemate. Okay, Sage's Rodenizen, Vow of Dragonfire, Daybreak Chaplain, Octoprophet, Netcaster Spider, Mind Rot, Daggersail Aeronaut, Fire Elemental, Gorging Vulture. Oh, what? Okay. Yarok's Wave Crashers Uncommons, Cerulean Drake, Chandra Nova's Pyromancer, and the rare mythic is Leyline of Combustion. There we go, another Leyline. Swiftwater Cliffs. Oh, and the foil! Fencing Ace is our foil there. And it's an uncommon, which is good. Next pack, can we get a mythic? That's the question. We got 2 foils, but no mythics. Okay, a wolf token, Pharaoh Invocation, Steadfast Sentry, Moat Piranhas, Merland Inquisitor, Gift of Paradise, Barony Vampire, Cloud Concealer, Act of Treason, Agonizing Siphon, Silverback Shaman, Uncommons, What Distortion, Eternal Isolation, Scholar of the Ages, and the rare mythic is Gargos, Vicious Watcher. And Thornwood Falls is a tap land, life gain. And final pack, can we get a mythic? That is the question. What can we get from this one? Treasure Token, Undead Servant, Fairy Miscreant, Soul Mender, Angelic Gift, Growth Cycle, Epicure of Blood, Shock, Natural End, Destructive Rigor, Sedge Scorpion, Uncommon Woodland Champion, Molder Vine Reclamation, Loaming Shaman, and the rare or mythic is G-L-I. Oh, Glenhorn Buccaneer, never mind. and a swamp. Okay, so yeah, comment down below which of these cards did you like the most and which you recommend me to use in a deck. And if you're enjoying the pre-release, comment that down below as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this awesome video. Like, subscribe, follow my Twitch channel, share with friends, and stay tuned to our next video streams and podcasts. And the podcast will be live every Tuesday. So stay tuned to them and watch our videos too. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.